What I enjoyed the most here is doing dyeing. My new clothes. I'm so excited. I was so excited. Dye t-shirt, and look, this is it. I also made my own skirt. What do you think? Is it nice or bad? If it's bad, then please tell me.
And you see this t-shirt, I dyed it too. And so did I dye this. I don't think you can really see it.
Hi, I'm Adya and I'm 7 years old.
Hello, my name is Shambhavi. I'm 11 years old and my favorite color is red.
I don't have a favorite color. I kind of like all colors.
I want them to be a part, if not head, this revolution, the color revolution, and set an example of ethical living, ethical fashion, and also explore nature in the process, and through experimenting and observance instead of being fed to them by some other lens, academic lens. And ColorAshram is a great place to learn this kind of a thing.
I learned a lot of things in ColorAshram, like block printing, and I learned dyeing. I learned many different sorts of dyes so that I can get patterns when I dye it. And I also learned how to recycle scraps of fabric and use them again. I never thought you can recycle fabrics to such an extent.
I love coloring with natural dye. It comes so well on your page, you know. If you wanted to make a thunderstorm, you would have those chemical blues and you had to mix it and then put it back. But when you are using the natural dye, the color you want already comes. It's so cool.
And when you use madder and you dip it into some hot water mixed with some detergent, it turns bright red from brown. It's a lot of fun to watch that. It's like a magic trick.
Because I like painting with natural colors is it comes really cute with natural colors. It does not come that cute with with the chemical colors, you know. It takes a lot of water and it pollutes it all. And it's also bad for my skin and yours too.
Look at the clothes factories, they use tons and tons of water in a day, and if we do natural dyeing, then we'll be saving so much water that the world could last a little longer.
and and I can paint with my hand. I don't have to worry that that it has chemicals in it. It will hurt my skin. So I